Finally, today I am going to build my first PC. The main purpose of this PC will be the works I do for this YouTube channel, like circuit simulation, PCB layout designing, programming, etc. The total cost of this build is somewhere around 70,000 to 75,000 rupees. So let's begin with the components I have picked up. MSI Mag Mortar Wi-Fi motherboard with Intel B460 chipset. It has Wi-Fi 6 on board with Bluetooth 5.1. It comes with 3 PCI Express Gen 3 slots, X16, X4 and X1, 4 DDR4 RAM slots in dual channel configuration and 6 SATA ports. It also has a pre-installed I/O shield, and in the rear I/O panel there are 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 5 Gbps ports, 1 USB Type-C port which is also USB 3.2 standard, 2 USB 2.0, 1 PS2 combo, Realtek 2.5 Gbps LAN port, 7.1 channel audio output, 1 HDMI port and 1 display port. CPU, I have taken this Intel 10th generation Core i5-10400. It's a 6-core 12-thread CPU with 2.9 GHz base clock, which can be turbo boosted up to 4.3 GHz. I have this Hyperx Fury 8GB DDR4 RAM stick, Samsung 980 EVO 240GB M.2 NVMe SSD, 1TB WD Blue hard drive. And I will use this 120mm air cooler from Deepcool instead of the stock cooler. In cabinet I am taking this Corsair Spec 5 mid tower case which came with CV650 PSU as a combo. Finally, the graphics card, which I could buy within my small budget in this crazy market situation, is this Asus RX 550 with 2GB VRAM. So let's unwrap everything and assemble together. This is the final look of my desktop. Let's boot it up. The Windows installation was really fast and the overall experience so far is pretty nice. I have enabled the Intel XMP profile to increase the DRAM frequency from 2400 MHz to 2666 MHz. The RAM I have taken, Hyperx Fury, is capable of running at 3200 MHz, but the Intel i5 10400 can support only up to 2666 MHz, so it is underclocked. For synthetic benchmarking, I have run Cinebench and the score is 8210, which is actually very nice. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. The build is not finished yet. It can't be finished without the touch of this magic wand. I will change these red LEDs in the case pan with RGBs because the motherboard has an RGB connector and I must use it. First I am desoldering the LEDs. Pretty easy. Then taking this glass rod, I am pushing the LEDs from behind. And it's popping out very easily. Now I will place these 5mm diffused RGB LEDs with common anode configuration. After checking the pin configuration, I am attaching 1 kilo ohm resistors to each of the RGB pins. Now since I don't have a proper RGB connector, I will use the half portion of the 8-pin machined IC holder. It's time to connect to the motherboard. Let's have a test. Wow, beautiful. One more thing is left. I want to connect two fans in the front side, so I need a fan splitter. What I am making now. That is my DIY fan splitter. I marked one side as primary, another as secondary. The sensor pin is not connected to the secondary port, so the motherboard will read the RPM of the fan connected in the primary port only. After all my poor man improvisations, this is the final look of my PC. So finally my computer building is finished. Thank you very much for watching this video until this end. Hopefully one update of my Arduino based inverter project is coming soon. Please stay tuned for that. And those who didn't watch my DIY inverter videos, which were uploaded a few decades ago, please go and check out the links given in the description below. And don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe my channel. I will meet in the next video.